It's Monday morning. Email server crashed. You fix it. Wednesday, crashed again. Friday, guess what? Crashed again. You're tired of fixing the same problem over and over, right? There's a better way. Imagine a patient visiting the doctor with a fever. The doctor gives medicine, fever goes away. Next day, fever returns. Medicine again. Day 3, still coming back. A smart doctor would ask, why does this fever keep returning? A great doctor investigates deeper, discovers an underlying infection causing the fever, treats that root cause, and boom, fever never returns. That's exactly what problem management does for IT. So what is problem management? It's the systematic process of identifying and eliminating the root causes of recurring incidents, so they never happen again. Instead of playing whack-a-mole with symptoms, you cure the disease. The difference is massive. Without problem management, you're stuck in endless firefighting. Same issues, exhausted team, frustrated users, wasted money. With it, you eliminate root causes, reduce incidents by 60 to 80%, free up your team for innovation, and users stay happy. But hold on. What's the actual difference between an incident and a problem? This is super important. Let's break it down. An incident is like a house on fire right now. You don't investigate why. You grab the hose and put it out fast. Restore service immediately. It's reactive, urgent, and all about speed. Stop the bleeding first. A problem is asking why houses keep catching fire from the same electrical junction. You investigate deeply, find the faulty wiring root cause, replace it, and prevent all future fires. It's proactive, analytical, and eliminates the source. Here's the crystal clear difference. Incidents are single events happening now, fix fast with workarounds. Problems are patterns over time. Investigate deep for permanent solutions. Incident management is reactive firefighting. Problem management is proactive prevention. Both are essential, and they work together. Real scenario. Monday, email server crashes. Incident team restarts it. Fixed. Wednesday, crashes again. Restart. Fixed. Friday, third crash. Now problem management investigates. Why is this pattern happening? Discovery. Server disk fills up every 2 days because auto cleanup script broke during an update. Fix the script, automate disk management, and guess what? 0 crashes for the next month. That's the power of problem management. Problem management follows a proven 7-stage life cycle. It's systematic, thorough, and ensures no problem slips through the cracks. Let's walk through each stage so you understand exactly how problems are identified, analyzed, and eliminated. Stage 1. Problem identification. How do you know there's a problem? 4 main triggers. 1. Pattern recognition. Multiple similar incidents cluster together. 2. Trend analysis. Incident frequency is increasing. 3. Major incident. Single critical event affecting many users. 4. Proactive monitoring. Systems predict failure before it happens. Smart organizations use AI to automatically detect these patterns. Stage 2. Problem logging. Once identified, create an official problem record in ServiceNow. It gets a unique problem number for tracking. You capture description, priority, affected service, and crucially, link all related incidents. Assign it to the right technical team, and the investigation officially begins. Documentation starts here. Stage 3. Problem categorization. Just like incidents, problems need proper categorization. Is it hardware, software, network, infrastructure, security? Then drill into subcategories. This ensures it reaches the right technical experts who can actually solve it. Proper categorization is key to efficient problem resolution. Stage 4. Investigation and diagnosis. This is where the technical deep dive happens. The assigned team collaborates, analyzing system logs, reviewing architecture, testing hypotheses, checking configurations, examining code. They gather evidence, compare data points, test scenarios, and piece together the puzzle. It's detective work meets technical expertise. Stage 5. Root cause analysis, the heart of problem management. This is where you dig deep beyond symptoms to find the true root cause. Using proven techniques like the 5 whys or fishbone diagrams, you keep asking why until you hit bedrock. The fundamental cause that, if eliminated, prevents the problem forever. Here's the 5 whys in action. Server crashed. Why? Disk full. Why? Logs not deleted. Why? Script not running. Why? Wrong file path. Why was path wrong? Configuration error during March update. There's your root cause 5 levels deep. Fix that configuration and the entire problem chain collapses. Never crashes again. Another powerful RCA method, the fishbone diagram. You brainstorm potential causes across categories: people, process, technology, environment. Map everything that could contribute. Then investigate each branch to find which is the actual root cause. It's thorough, visual, and ensures you don't miss anything. Stage 6. Known error database. This is crucial. Once you've confirmed the root cause but before the permanent fix is ready, you log it as a known error. This gives your support team documented workarounds to use immediately while the fix is being developed. It bridges the gap between discovery and resolution. Critical distinction. A workaround is your temporary lifeline, like manually restarting the server every morning. It keeps users working but requires ongoing effort and doesn't fix the root cause. A permanent fix eliminates the root cause entirely, like fixing that cleanup script so manual restarts are never needed again. The goal is always to move from workaround to permanent fix. Stage 7. Resolution and closure, the victory lap. The permanent fix is developed, rigorously tested in dev and QA environments, deployed to production carefully, and monitored closely to verify stability. After 30 days with zero recurrence, the problem is officially closed. All related incidents are updated, documentation is complete, and the knowledge is captured. Problem eliminated forever. Let's recap this powerful journey. Step 1. Identify the pattern. Step 2. Log it officially. Step 3. Categorize for proper routing. Step 4. Investigate thoroughly. Step 5. Perform root cause analysis to find the true source. Step 6. Document as known error with workarounds. Step 7. Resolve permanently and close with verification. This systematic approach transforms your IT from reactive chaos to proactive excellence. Here's the beautiful relationship. Incident management handles the now, restoring service fast. Those incidents reveal patterns that problem management investigates. Problem management finds and fixes root causes, which prevents future incidents. It's a continuous improvement cycle. Each problem solved means fewer incidents tomorrow. They're partners, not competitors. Reactive meets proactive, creating ever-improving IT service. Real impact from a financial services company. They had 200 password reset incidents every month, consuming 70% of support time, users frustrated with 2.5-star ratings. Problem management investigated, found root cause was overly complex password policy combined with poor user education. Solution? Simplified the policy, implemented self-service portal, created user training. Result? Incidents dropped 90% to just 20 per month. Support freed up for innovation. Satisfaction jumped to 4.7 stars. And they saved $42,000 monthly. That's the power of fixing root causes.